Hello, welcome to Brian 360 and welcome to an early morning flight from Princess Juliana International Airport in St. Maarten to Juancho E Yrausquin Airport in Saba. Apologies if I destroyed that name. Now, what makes this flight so special? Well, Saba has the shortest commercial runway in the world at only 400 meters or 1,312 feet. In this video, you will see the landing from the cockpit view, as well as out of the left or port and right or starboard windows, thanks to my kids and their iPhones. After we have left the plane, you will see it take off, and you will also see it return to pick us up for our trip back to St. Maarten. You will see the harrowing departure from Saba from my window seat, and as we approach St. Maarten, you'll see the view out both side windows. So, sit back, strap in, and enjoy the ride with us. As we approach Saba, let's chat a little bit about why we're headed there. Saba is known as the unspoiled queen of the Caribbean, largely known for its excellent diving and hiking, and has not been widely developed as a busy tourist destination. It is a tiny volcanic island of only 13 square kilometers, or 5 square miles, with a population of about 2,000 people. Although it is a volcanic island, don't worry, its last known eruption was before the 1630s. You can't see the peak of the island as it is hidden behind cloud, but that is our destination for today. Saba boasts many hiking trails, and the one leading up to what is called Mount Scenery is where we plan on going. Saba is what's called a special municipality of the Netherlands, and at the top of Mount Scenery is the highest point in the Kingdom of the Netherlands at 887 meters, or 2,910 feet. Please come back and watch the video of hiking to the top of Mount Scenery, as I plan on posting it shortly. They were not lying on the website when they said it was a strenuous hike, but the view was worth it. As we approach the world's shortest commercial runway, let's take a look at what awaits us. To the left, we have the Caribbean Sea, or probable death. To the right, we can crash into the mountains, most likely death as well. Should we go short and crash into the cliff, that's death. And should we overshoot the runway, well, we'll fall off another cliff, and that is probably death as well. So let's hope our pilot is more wide awake than I am at this point in our early morning excursion. Success! And he didn't even need the whole runway. And this is how it looked out the two side windows. Thanks, kids! Saba is a quick 13-minute flight from St. Maarten, with Winair operating 4 flights daily. If you're not interested in a flight, Saba can be reached by ferry from St. Maarten, and that takes about an hour and 40 minutes. Due to its very short runway, Saba is only accessible by small planes with short takeoff and landing capabilities, such as the de Havilland Canada DHC-6 Twin Otter, which we're on today, or the Britten-Norman BN2 Islander. After a quick 20-minute stop, our plane is headed back to St. Maarten. If visiting Saba by plane, you can get there from many of the nearby islands. If visiting by ferry, your options are St. Maarten, Statia, and St. Kitts. After a long day of hiking, our plane returns from St. Maarten to bring us back. It kind of sounds like the plane was hiking. The plane was not hiking. I was hiking and I'm exhausted. Looking forward to getting back. I was really hoping to get the cockpit view on our return trip to St. Maarten, but some kid beat me to it. Kids! Every time I watch this, I'm still amazed at how we just make the turn. We don't even pause, nothing, just make a quick turn and boom, we're on our way. And that's it. Goodbye to Saba, and thank you for a wonderful day. The beach you see right now is Mullet Bay Beach, which is probably our favorite beach on St. Maarten. Not only is the sand beautiful and the water, but you get a great view of the airplanes coming in all day. We are just about to fly over Maho Beach, and that's where all the tourists flock to see the planes coming in. I have another video on that, so please check that out. Now passing over Maho Beach, looking out the other side, there is a great vantage point right there to see the planes coming in. And that ends our day of flying from St. Maarten to Saba, there and back again. Thank you very much for watching, and please check out my other St. Maarten videos. I have some very interesting perspectives of airplanes landing at Princess Juliana Airport over Maho Beach. Thank you again, and please like, share, subscribe, sign up for notifications. Thank you again for watching, and take care.